3 safe havens for your cash. One day the stock markets are up, the next they're down. Fears that problems in the American mortgage market will spill over into the wider economy, precipitating a major credit crunch, have seen a series of alarming falls in the major stock markets. So, if the UK and US markets unnerve you, what are the current good homes for your cash? Tip 1. Emerging markets. The past weeks have seen investors piling into new markets as offering more solid prospects for growth. Now, I wouldn't advise you to invest direct. That could be too risky and too complicated. But there are some excellent funds from the likes of Aberdeen, Gartmore and Jupiter. And the new global giants, China and India and the like, are not simply competing abroad with UK and US companies, they're also building demand at home. The construction of dozens of new airports and major infrastructure projects and the increased consumer demand, as citizens in these countries get more money to spend, is going to see the economies of China and India powering ahead, so they look a great bet for future investment. Tip 2. Go for gold. Now, it may sound old-fashioned, but gold is the traditional safe haven in risky times. Prices have hit 28-year highs recently, and predictions are the price of gold will go even higher. The easiest way to invest is via vehicles such as the ETFS Physical Gold Fund. And if you've filled the car recently, you know all about the price of petrol. With tension in the Middle East and increased demand from China and India, prices are liable to rise still further. It's bad news for drivers, but it can be good for investors, so check out the Investec Global Energy Fund. Tip 3. Invest in foodstuffs. After decades of decline, prices of commodities such as beef, wheat and coffee have been steadily rising. I'm John Rennie, and you've been listening to Wallet Watcher. Stay subscribed for more money-saving advice.